Dear students, in this video I will give the solution of March 2025 question paper, 4 marks question from similar triangles chapter. In triangle ABC, here we are having a triangle ABC and it is given that DE is parallel to BC and the sides are given. AD is given, DB is given, similarly the other 4 sides are given. So we need to find the value of x here. So it is already given that D is parallel to BC. So in this triangle, that means if these two lines are parallel, that means using the Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem, the sides are proportional. That means AD by DB equal to AE by EC. This is using the BPT. So this is using the Thales theorem. So we will substitute the values here. What is AD? X minus 2. What is BD? This is 5. So we substitute the values here. This implies x minus 2 divided by 5 is equal to. So AE is given as 2x minus 1 and EC is given as 2x plus 5. So simply substitute these values. Now we have to solve this one to get the value of x. So for that we can do the cross multiplication here. So x minus 2 will be multiplied by 2x plus 5. 5 multiplied by 2x minus 1. Now in this case what we have to do? X multiplied by 2x, then x multiplied by 5. Similarly then minus 2 multiplied by 2x and minus 2 multiplied by 5. So x multiplied by 2x is what? 2x square. X multiplied by 5, 5x. Then minus 2 multiplied by plus 2x, minus 4x. Then minus 2 multiplied by plus 5 minus 10. This is equal to, then here we are having 5 multiplied by 2x and 5 multiplied by minus 1. So that will be 10x minus 5. So if we bring this 10x minus 5 to the left side, we will have 2x square plus 5x minus 4x minus 10 minus 10x plus 5 equal to 0. That means 10x here it becomes minus 10x, minus 5 here it becomes a plus 5. So now 2x square, then plus 5x minus 4x. This is x plus x minus 10x. This is minus 9x. Then we are having minus 10 plus 5. So minus number is bigger, so we will get minus 5. So now to get the value of 5, what we have to do? We have to split the middle term. So I will write here. So 2x square minus 9x minus 5. How to factorize this? Multiply 5 by 2. 5 with 2, you will get 5 to the 10. So for 10, what we can write here? So this can be written as 10 1 the 10 because we need here 9. So 10 1 the 10 minus 1 is 9, but we need minus 9x. So I will write here minus 10x plus x. This is splitting the middle term. Minus 9x is written as minus 10x plus x minus 5 equal to 0. Then we have to take common here 2x, x minus 5 plus 1, x minus 5 equal to 0. So here these two should be same. X, so x minus 5 is common here. Then what is remaining? 2x plus 1 equal to 0. That means x minus 5 equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So x will be equal to 5 or 2x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Since we need the value of x, so length cannot be negative, so minus value will be ignored. So the value of x is 5. That's all in this solution here. This is a 4 marks question. Remember, this question is not available in the textbook, so you have to go through all the previous year question paper solutions to score good in the final exam. If you have any doubts, do mention in the comment section. Do subscribe and like to the channel for more board exam questions and other informational videos. Thanks for watching.